So if you're going to use technology, you're going to use a technology that enhances the human element of safety, not replace the human element. And so, take for example, why the MERP is where it is. When I was the safety director, we created flip charts so that staff members would have access to plans. We could use them as a training tool. For example, we could have our flip chart and ask the question during a staff meeting, what do you do during a medical emergency? And then staff members could just pull up the flip chart and see what to do. Well, the problem with these flip charts is they are expensive to print, and because our society changes, our responses have to change. And so we wanted to develop the MERP, the Mobile Emergency Response Plan, to use that technology so that we could avoid costly printing and that we could change the plans as often as we needed. And again, we avoid the printing and everyone has the most up-to-date information. We also, as we look at technology, let's be honest, if there's a fire in your classroom, not many teachers are going to take this off of their wall in their classroom as they exit. But I don't know too many people that go anywhere anymore without their cell phone. And so having that piece of technology readily available, readily revisable, and updated is a great piece of technology. But you have to also know the limitations of your technology solutions. For example, in Uvalde, we saw their technology solution failed because they didn't have Wi-Fi throughout their building. And so instead of having somebody make an announcement, they were using technology to make the announcement, and the announcement never happened. And so, we were aware of these limitations when we developed the MERP 10 years ago. And that's why even if you lose internet connectivity or the power goes out in your building, you can still access the MERP on your mobile devices and all the information will be there.